Let's see how the factory makes brown sugar. Sugarcane is used as the raw material for brown sugar, planted every year around Chinese New Year. These fresh sugarcanes are fed into a juice extractor to make sugarcane juice. The freshly extracted juice undergoes a purification process, where it is filtered and the sugar residue is removed, removing any impurities from the juice. Next comes the sugar boiling process. The sugarcane juice is boiled on high heat to evaporate the water content from the juice until it thickens into a sticky syrup. The syrup is then transferred to another large pot for sugar frying. By continuously stirring, they prevent the syrup from burning or sticking to the pot. When the boiling bubbles decrease, and there is no more white steam above the pot, the workers quickly scoop the completed sugar paste into a sugar trough for shaping. Depending on the production requirements, they make it into either powdered sugar or sugar blocks. When making powdered sugar, a small amount of baking soda is added, and the mixture is stirred evenly with a sugar hammer. It is spread out to cool. Before it fully solidifies, the sugar paste is kneaded and crushed with the sugar hammer for sugar blocks. The sugar paste is poured directly into molds. After cooling, the molds are removed, and the final product is brown sugar blocks.